Would you subscribe $100 monthly to let Teslabot help you with home cleaning? Many of our houses already have robots that are specifically designed to do things like mow our lawns and clean our floors, but they all have a very limited focus, and purchasing specialized robots for each duty can never compare to a universal robot that can do several chores. Undoubtedly, a robot lawnmower is fantastic, but what about tasks like cleaning your home windows from both inside and outside using a rubber-bladed squeegee, cleaning up with a blower vacuum, weeding the garden, or cutting a hedge? Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Robot vacuums have improved over the past couple of years. Instead of needing to be emptied after each load, they now empty into a larger canister that collects dirt from multiple cleaning cycles and stores it. However, when that larger bin fills up, you're ultimately left with taking the trash to larger outside bins. This will be a crucial test for the Tesla Bot. If it can vacuum better, will it be able to handle many other appliances in the home too, and take out the trash? For the Tesla Bot to solve this, it would need to be able to navigate your home and maneuver a vacuum cleaner, which is almost the same as what Tesla cars do when navigating on the streets, based on pure vision only. How about washing dishes? Collecting dirty cups, plates, bowls, and silverware is a necessary step that must be taken in order to make these responsibilities more workable. As a result of the fact that they are often spread around the house, the bot has to most likely examine each room and collect whatever it discovers there and insert them into your dishwasher. All you need to do is show the robot which button sequence to use for starting the wash. What about dusting and wiping? Dusting and wiping are two major chores of any house. For dusting and wiping, the bot has to use Tesla's full self-driving FSD autopilot to reach every corner and clean it. All you need to do is to let the bot inspect the layout of the house, and then it will clean your house. And what about organizing things after your kids' playtime? Collecting all the toys and things from the floor and tables should be done in the first place. The bot has to collect the things and place them in their right place and organize them. The bot can simply learn by observing where you repeatedly stow things. Finally, everything that has a place shall be in its place. Would you subscribe $100 monthly to let Teslabot help you with laundry? Imagine if the bot could do laundry for you. The bot can collect the clothes from every corner of the house. After collecting, it will analyze which clothes go together into the washing machine and what are their matching program and washing liquids. Again, you can teach the bot the sequence. Furthermore, if you want to hang your clothes to dry, the bot is your solution. You can show the bot where to hang the clothes for drying. And after drying comes the folding. The bot will do this also for you and even organize the clothes in the cupboard. Would you subscribe $20 per vacation day to let Teslabot help you with home security? As a safety precaution, many of us have smart home lights installed in our homes. This gives the idea that someone is home, which deters would-be thieves. We also use home security cameras to record any break-ins and remotely monitor a house, dogs, and other items while away. This helps us keep an eye on everything without having to worry. It is not hard to see the Tesla Bot turning out to be the most efficient security system that you have. And it is a possibility that you should consider. If you are going to be away from home for an extended period of time, you may utilize Tesla Sentry Mode in conjunction with a live video stream from the robot's eyes to keep an eye on things. Imagine you are away from your house or even sleeping. What Tesla Bot could do for you? Let me tell you. Whenever it will sense some unusual activity in the house or someone else other than you, the bot will try to act like a human and will show some activities so that the thieves think the house is not empty. Or the bot can even bark like a dog so that the uninvited don't come close. That's it, everyone. Subscribe to this channel and join the Tesla forum to join the discussion and keep your eye on what the Optimus Tesla bot can do for you.